Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing equipment so pairing works reliably. Make sure the TV is on the input you normally watch, the Directv receiver is powered, and the remote has fresh batteries. Once done, point the remote at the TV and press, and hold the mute and select buttons until the green LED blinks. This puts the remote into pairing mode. You do this because the remote must receive and send pairing commands while the TV is actively accepting them. Next, input the TV brand code or let the remote search automatically. Both methods find the correct IR commands. If you know the code, type it now and wait for the LED confirmation. If not, initiate the auto search so the remote cycles through codes while sending power commands to your TV. Make sure to press power and volume after a successful code. Testing both functions verifies the TV responds to on/off and audio controls. Finish by saving the working code when the TV consistently responds to power and volume commands. The LED usually indicates a successful save. Once saved, cycle power, adjust volume, and switch input to confirm every function behaves as expected. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Perform the full code search again while standing closer and with direct line of sight, and replace batteries before repeating. Often weak batteries or obstructions prevent the TV from recognizing pairing signals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.